Our oval brushes stand out for several reasons. We use only bristle diameters and lengths that have been thoroughly tested. We offer 2 bristle lengths on our nylon brushes. Softer bristles make the brush stiffer and remove wax and debris more quickly, while longer bristles are slightly softer and preferred for finer polishing. The type of brush you choose depends on your base structure and the type of wax you're using. Adjustable Velcro straps ensure a secure, comfortable fit for all hand sizes. All of our brushes come with protective bags to keep them clean when stored in your toolbox. They're also extremely useful if you want to dedicate a specific brush to a particular wax. Steel brushes are ideal for deep cleaning the base. Their fine bristles reach into the structure for a thorough clean. Also, an essential brush to remove microhairs caused by grinding skis and boards. Brass brushes are a more economical alternative to steel and are the most popular for general cleaning. Nylon stiff brushes are essential to remove wax fast and for polishing the base to a high sheen. This is your go-to brush when using Nanox waxes. Nylon Startgate brush is a smaller version of the nylon stiff brush, designed to fit smaller hands and easily fit into your start pack for brushing between race runs. Nylon soft brushes are used for final, more refined polishing and removing remaining fine wax dust left behind by stiffer brushes, renowned for delivering a faster glide on snow. Horsehair brushes penetrate deep into the structure to remove microhairs, typically after using brass or steel brushes. Also popular for its ability to effectively clean and polish your bases.